Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. And the great camera girl. All who don't know camera girl, who have never seen her because you're not on the Jamaican Debbie Dex train. This is the great camera girl. So y'all doing out there in YouTube land? Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, it's a special welcome to you. Thank you so much for making it West Indian delight. And camera girl, what you have to say to the people who did it from way back when on the journey?
Manners and respect.
Manners and respect. We love you all. Now today, we're doing things a little bit different on this video today. Today, we are going to make you some Jamaican barefoot fritters. Flittas, Jamaican barefoot fritters. Camera girl, tell them what you know about the barefoot fritters. You gotta look at them. Tell them what you know. She are the queen for barefoot fritters. Tell them just a little thing, not Blanca. Them the one with the long talking over here, so you know. You want to hear a lot and know a lot about us, how we do things outside of the Jamaican cooking journey? Hop right on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debbs train. What is the Jamaican Debbie Debbs train? Please tell them, camera girl.
The Jamaican Debbie Debbs train. It's our second channel where we do different things like, we cook outdoor stuff. Sometimes we go on the road, we vlog. We do like a little thing in the kitchen. Sometimes we do breakfast or this type of stuff. Little sit down videos.
Alright, now give them everything. Tell them what you know about the barefoot fritters. Yeah.
Alright, so barefoot fritters is just literally regular fritters without saltfish. That's what I would say. You can put I don't know, it's just regular fritters without like any kind of meat kind in there. It's just regular flour, tomato, scallion and type or something. It's just without meat or saltfish and stuff.
So you hear about it, but you have never seen it though. So yeah, hear me? When we return, we'll be in progress with the Jamaican barefoot fritters. See you. Okay, now family, we are back. No, me back. I am back, not we. Me back. Now, barefoot fritters is just, as camera girl said, simply Jamaican saltfish fritters. But we take half the shoes, which is the saltfish. We have omitted the saltfish. The saltfish is the shoes. So we have taken out the saltfish, and when we don't have no saltfish in it, it is a Jamaican term that we say, barefoot saltfish fritters. Flittas we say, but you know the correct name is fritters. So if any of you watching this video from wherever, Jamaicans, want to ring up the comment section if you don't know a thing about the saltfish, the barefoot Jamaican barefoot fritters. If you have ever made it, if you're still making it inside in your family, talk what you know about it. Any part you are in the world. Red Hat, Angela Hamilton, let's ring up the comment section. What do you know about the Jamaican barefoot fritters? The correct name, you all who don't understand the patois, is Fritters, F-R-I-T-T-E-R-S, but Flittas. So once we say Jamaican, we are going to tie the Flittas to it. Now, what you are going to be needing for this dish is first and foremost, some flour. And all you who have not seen my Jamaican saltfish fritters, it's there on the channel. Go check it out. That is the authentic Jamaican saltfish fritters. Now this here one here, it are the barefoot fritters. So you're gonna see, we're gonna need similar things. So you're gonna need some flour, of course. If you want to use whole wheat flour, you can go ahead. Any kind of flour. Be it counter cake flour, all purpose, any type of flour, once a white flour. You're gonna need some cherry ripe tomatoes. And I'm going to show you the trick with it on the tomato. You're gonna need some fresh scallion, mostly down here side of scallion. You're gonna need some black pepper. You're also gonna need some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. But because it is camera girl's favorite, the barefoot fritters, yeah, without the Scotch bonnet, me have to do it without the Scotch bonnet. So I can't put the scotch on it. But with if you can take the heat and you're doing it for yourself, you put in. But if you give the kids it, no scotchy. And of course you want some salt. It is Flittas, so you're going to want a little oil for fry. So let me show you something. And this is optional. A peg or two of garlic in the oil. Burn. You can also grate a little bit in there. Nothing wrong, but it is optional. So I'm going to go now, get my tomatoes all chopped, get my scallion all chopped. So when you see me back again, we are going to mix up this fritters here and proceed. Okay, now family, we have the tomatoes or tomato, what have you, all chopped. Chop it fine if you can get it finer. All chopped. And we are going to proceed to put in our tomato, and we have the scallions finely chopped. Make sure most of the scallion are the green part of the scallion, okay? Now, I know somebody is going to say, Debbie, I need some measurement. Hello? When we do Jamaica fry fritters, whether saltfish or barefoot, we don't measure nothing. Amaru cooks, we feel we wear through making fritters, but I'm going to be so good to you. I'm going to leave for you a specific amount of ingredients to make you get it good, okay? I'm going to do that for you. But we don't measure nothing when we don't here fry fritters. Flittas, okay? So I have my tomato in. So you chop it, make sure your tomato properly ripe, you know. And you use the flour. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. Make we say we're using the flour to coat it round. Now you're going to put some black pepper to taste. This thing must taste a black pepper. It must have some peppery taste. That is the trick about fritters, what a lot of people don't know. So I'm going to put, probably this about a half teaspoon. But I will leave for you. You know worry yourself about that in the description. Now we are going to be adding some salt. Reasonable amount. Now we don't have no saltfish in this. So we have to put a little extra salt. But let me show you how we do it. Now we put in everything. This is basically what we need. And when we're doing the saltfish fritters, and I say go check out my saltfish fritters video and see the difference between these fritters and what you like. Okay? So we don't put in all the salt at one time. Remember, you know, we not just dump in salt like that, you know. We have to do it salting and taste as we go along. So you're gonna put some water, not hot water, and you're gonna proceed to start mixing around this little batter. We're making a batter, okay? If you put the whole light one time, you might end up have this thing too watery, okay? So when you have it less water, you can always add extra water to get the consistency of the batter. So a little at a time. When it comes to flour and water, it's always a little at a time. You see the beauty? Have you seen the beauty of this barefoot fritters? Okay. So we are mixing around right now. And look here. We still want it a little more loose, on the loose side. Now, I want to tell you something. I'm not through with mixing. Some people like them fritters soft and bulky. But originally me as a Jamaican, when we are go a country with our parents, we get fritters crispy and flat and nice. We don't get bulky, puffy fritters. My mother never put baking powder in fritters. I mean now put none in it. You can put an egg or two, depends on the amount of batter that you have. But you're going to get nice soft fritters. So if you're somebody that likes your fritters like that, drop an egg in it, no problem. But I like them crispy. So when you leave out the egg and all of that, you'll get it crispy. But you have got to have the batter at a consistency to get it crispy. So let us see where we are at. We're going to put a little, probably about this, more water. And we are going to start to beat, slight beat. Okay. We want to put the tip of your finger because your hand should be clean for your kitchen and for your fritters and nothing. You want to taste. You don't want most of this thing fresh because if it's too fresh it not taste good enough. And I don't think it's too salt. Maybe it will be good or a little less salt. See it there? We want a little more salt. How are you going to know when you want a little more salt? No, you have to taste. So, make your judgment on the salt. There is no saltfish in it. It can't be too fresh. It must have a little salty taste. Let's go now and beat up a little extra. This is how the fritters must look, you see? You don't put any all-purpose and seasoning, salt and a paprika. We not do them the same thing. Them are all time, long time fritters. If you want to put a twist to it, not a problem, baby. So you go again and look at the fluffiness of the butter. So this is the consistency, whether saltfish or no saltfish. This is the consistency of the batter. We're gonna go now, give our butter a little time, just a little bit of time for rest, preheat with pot, with oil in it, and when we return, Barefoot Flittas, we are gonna shot Barefoot Flittas. Huh? Now, our oil is being preheated on the medium. If it's the first time you find fritters, what you want to do is take a little spoon and put a little bit. Okay. If it's the very first time you want to test the oil. Now, you're going to, let me show you how you do the fritters. Gently, gently, and you carry the spoon way down. Flatten the fritters. Do not let the fritters come too high. Let me show you. You know why? It will just be fried on the outside and on the inside appear raw flour. That is how you want the fritters to fry. And if you like nice crispy fritters, this is how you drop them. You can also drop the fritters to your liking. Different sizes. This is some Licocini one. Licocini bit of fritters. It's a camera girl size. This is how she drops them. Okay? We drop our fritters them. Frying them off on the medium. This is how we do it. When you want, do not deep fry them, you know. When you want to get nice crispy fritters, this is how you do it. Put the camera upon me. On the medium, making sure you're there when they're ready for turn. You turn them. When we're ready to turn them fritters, you know. I don't know, some always left on our road, you know. We are going to come back and show you how we do that something here. Eh? Okay, now we're on the loose. We're ready to turn the fritters. Can I say something to you? When you drop them real close and then they're close to each other, let us start to turn first. We start. Remember I told you, you know, medium. This is how you get these pretty colors. These are just camera girl. I feel little size them, you know. Big people like them fritters, you know. Eh? So this is the color that you want it. You don't want it to fry on too much of a high heat. So I'm saying to you, when you drop them and they are attached to each other, why as soon as they fry, them pull apart. Sometimes them fry and them not pull apart. I'm going to show you a whole batch. But when it fry, you just take it from out of the pot. Yes, it's famous for that. I'm going to do it and show you one day. You just break them off and they're all fried and quickly. Now we can turn these, but gently, please, gently. Look at them. The crispiness is there already. Okay? So we are going to go now, finish frying off these fritters, and when we return, we are going to show you how them look, and we are going to taste them, and we are going to show you something about fritters. Yeah. Okay, now family, look at this. We finished the first batch, and let me tell you something about this. If you mix up too much, you can easily well put this in a nice little container and freeze it. When you're ready again, you just remove it from the freezer onto the refrigerator for a period of time. When it becomes like this again, it is ready for fry, you're good to go. Now let's look at these. These are without salt fish. Not none of them, we call them Barefoot fritters. Now, if you know a thing or two about salt and Barefoot, Jamaican Barefoot fritters, please comment. You ever see any look like this? Have you ever seen any look like this? And if you come to my house, put the camera for me, and you see me make some of these for breakfast or lunch, or would you ask to taste one? Please to comment. Now, I want to taste one, but look what me I go away and come back to come here and make them cool. Because look here, we know we are going to eat them, you know. But even though you know you're going to eat them, you see at this stage how them so hot, don't look no friend with them. They will burn the daylight out of you. So I'm going to let them cool out, come back, break one, show you something about them fritters. Yeah. May come back. We are back. Now, them not so cool yet, you know, but look here. Me want break one to show you. Whew. Look at that, you all. Look at that. Tell me something about this. Hello. When we dodge up, I was looking some bread, you see. But is this? Hello, you eat the end of the bread. This is the part I like. My kids don't eat it. Nobody in my family except me eats it. I like it. As a survivor, you gotta know how to live, baby. No. It had you know. Inside here is a tomato. Let me tell you something. You see, when you bite into this fritters with this tomato on the inside, we fry it. That's why I tell you the tomato bones be properly ripe, soft and nice. You see, when you bite in here, so it's the nicest part. If you don't have the tomato in it, don't start it. Look here. Do not put no sweet pepper and a bell pepper in this thing. Don't do it. It's gonna spoil it. You see what I'm saying? Hot yeah? Okay. ASMR fritters mukbang. And you start crunch your cake today, ASMR. You put it in your brain. Let me tell you something. I want a cup. The time is that, but I'll drink a cup of warm Milo. Okay? Put your fritters into your bread. Eat a fritters and bread, then fritters and bread. Or if you have a slice of the Jamaican yellow belly sweet potato pudding, cut a thin slice. Put one of the fritters on top. Get a glass of juice. You're good to go. Now, if you used to eat these and you still eat them and you know if you make them, talk to me. Ring up something about them here in the comment section. Jamaican Barefoot Flittas. This is another survival, Jamaican survival dish. Now, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You definitely have got to leave your comments below on this. Want to be a member of the post notification crew? All you got to do, subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. When you hit it, leave your comments below what you want to say about the video that you have watched. And today's post notification crew goes out to who, camera girl? Let me eat my fritters here.
Marco 58138.
Marco 58138. Big up yourself. It sounds like you're a male. You're on the Jamaican cooking journey. Once more, big up yourself. Have you ever had these, Marco? You need to try these, bro. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe again. Leave your comments below. The question of this video is, from you have been a part of the Jamaican cooking journey, what dish was the dish that you enjoyed seeing me prepare the most? If you are a part of the Jamaican cooking journey, or since you have been a part of this Jamaican cooking journey, please to type in the comment section what dish you enjoy. The one where you see me do and you enjoy that video more than all. Please to type it in the comment section. Remember to like, share, subscribe again. Baby from down a yard. Bless, no stress. Can I put it for? No, I
No.
I'm sorry, put it in my sister.